to another One Monroe Minute. Today we're going to be looking at rod ends, what they are and where they're used. Rod ends, also known as heim joints, consist of a bearing housed within a ring or a body. They're widely used in various applications where an adjustable angle and alignment correction are required. A rod end typically consists of a ball swivel with an opening through which a bolt or other attaching hardware may pass through. They also come in various materials and designs to suit specific load capacities, environmental conditions, and movement requirements. Some of the materials that they come in include steel, aluminum, titanium, plastic, and brass. Rod ends are commonly used in the automotive industry for steering and suspension systems. They're commonly used for steering and gear linkages, anti-roll bars, and engine and transmission mounts. In the construction industry, rod ends are commonly found in the hydraulic systems of bulldozers, excavators, cranes, and other construction vehicles for heavy machinery control. They're also in the agricultural industry, where they're used in tractors, harvesting and seeding equipment, sprayers, irrigation systems, and other industrial attachments. The marine and aerospace industry also use rod ends in boats, helicopters, airplanes, and other forms of transportation. They're commonly used in steering mechanisms and control linkages, as well as in rigging adjustments in aquatic vehicles. Even the fitness industry uses rod ends for gym equipment, such as rowing machines, leg presses, and resistance equipment to ensure smooth operation. Here at One Monroe, we offer a variety of different rod ends for various applications. To learn more, be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and we'll see you next time with another One Monroe Minute.